If you're overpaying in taxes every year, you need to stop and listen. If you own an LLC, or if you currently owe a tax bill right now, you need to stop and listen too. Because what I'm about to share could literally change how you think about money, taxes, and wealth forever. See, taxes aren't just about numbers. They're about strategy. And the difference between people who stay broke and people who build wealth often comes down to how they use the tax code. Inside my ebook, The Secrets They Don't Teach You During Tax Season, I break down the strategies I've used as an accountant and business owner to help hundreds of clients save thousands without triggering audits or hurting their ability to qualify for loans later. Understanding these strategies isn't just about paying less, it's about building long-term financial freedom. Because when you learn to control your taxes, you learn to control your wealth. Let's talk about the real reason so many people overpay. Most individuals, and even business owners, don't understand how the tax system actually works. They fear the IRS, they skip deductions they could legally claim, and they let tax season sneak up on them instead of planning ahead. Sound familiar? You're not alone. I've seen clients leave thousands on the table every year because they didn't know the difference between a write-off and a wealth strategy. Everyone loves a good deduction, right?
Take a
Mileage,
tax deduction.
meals, the office chair, that's a little too cozy. But here's the truth. Massive write-offs may save you on taxes today, but can kill your chances of getting approved for a mortgage or business loan later. So the key is balance. Claim what's legitimate, but structure your income to show strength when you need financing. Here's where the wealthy play the long game. Once you become an LLC, you unlock a new level of deductions. You can write off part of your home as an office. You can invest in assets like business equipment, vehicles, or even ETFs, and take depreciation. Then there comes a point where the LLC just doesn't work anymore, and you need to level up to an S Corp. You can pay yourself strategically through distributions and payroll to reduce self-employment tax. That's another video I'll get into at a later time. Most people wait until April 15th to deal with taxes, but the wealthy plan year-round. They schedule strategy sessions, they track income monthly, they meet with their accountant CPA before year-end, not after. That's how you move from reactive to proactive. Taxes aren't punishment. They're the price of playing the game. But if you understand the rules, you can win. Stop overpaying, stop waiting until tax season, and stop thinking taxes are your enemy. They're a tool. When you know how to use them, you keep more, grow more, and stress less. So if you're ready to unlock the financial secrets that help you save money, click on the link in the description.